Hey everyone, we got a good one today. It's a stock everyone knows, everyone talks about, and it could cause the whole entire stock market to crash. That's right, let's get into details. It's the king, Nvidia. Now let's first look at Nvidia again as a blank chart, nothing fancy on it. I already have a couple lines drawn just from my personal trading from it, especially post earnings. So let's dive into the tape. So right here in the video, let's just go from again, playing the opponent's hand, not our own hand. Where's everyone else buying and selling? So we had the big run up on AI, right? You had the big earnings run up. You had some choppiness, then you had a technical breakout. If you want a nice, pretty trend line, I'm not your guy because, quite frankly, I don't need to draw them and say, oh, look, I'm a smart trend line person. Kind of do it in my head, right? Once you get good at it and look at charts so much, you can kind of look at trend lines, see volume breakout here on the trend line breakout, and then here we go. So where did everyone buy? Let's just, here. Probably, again, once our consolidation patterns sell off, probably up in here, shake out into the earnings, probably bought in here. And then, where did the financial media start pumping Nvidia? Well, as I posted in my Telegram, free to join, by the way, we had Nvidia, Kramer making fun of the shorts post earnings. And what did I do? I basically went and bought puts in Nvidia and was up 50% within about 10 minutes. So doing the inverse, being a contrarian, can make you a lot of money in this business. So you had Kramer pump the stock. That was right at the opening bell up in here. So longs bought, and we know longs bought because, well, Kramer told them to, right around 150 to the high. Let's just say 152 to make it easy. This is where people bought because if you recall in earnings, Nvidia was down, and then right as the market opened, it actually went green a couple bucks. So everyone's trapped up in here and probably in here. So we have trap longs 147 to up to, let's just say 150, 152. 150 is a big round number to look at. So where's the max pain? Well, we already took out the gap here, support, which was 140. And you can see as we flushed 140, look what happened to volume here, right? Volume escalated, volume increased. Why? Because sell stops got triggered. If we want to put volume on a subgraph, or what you can do is always have my master indicator, which is hopefully available to purchase. But if you just want to see volume on a subgraph, just so you can get an idea, as we broke support, look at volume here rise. Why? Because all those people who bought up in here, that 150 range or so, they're usually going to put their protective stop loss on the low of the day or into this gap. So about 140. Now we have a couple levels that we're approaching. Number one, this low. Number two, this low. Why? Remember, people put their stop losses or their protective stop losses that will automatically get triggered if the stock breaks the low of the day. In this case, since we're looking at a daily chart, a previous swing low. So that would be about 132 all the way down to this low of the day, which is about 128.74. Let's say 128.75. So if we break these lows, maybe, and this is what I'm expecting, that H cell pattern. So it looks like a lowercase h. We bounce maybe up to 140 and then we reject it and we flush down. So volume, just like as we talked about, should be elevated. And where can we trade? Probably back down to probably 120-ish. Back here where we have lots of price action around 120-ish. If you want, and I'll get into more details hopefully sometime soon with this, is we can go ahead and look at, let's see if I actually have something saved here. Let me try pulling up I don't know if this will work on Nvidia yet. I just have it for the E-mini S&P futures, so it might not work for the day. Yeah, you know what I got to do? If anyone uses volume point of control, let's see if we can pull it up here without me having to get too frisky. Yeah, we should be getting, I'll have to mess with the settings, but probably around this, maybe 113 to about 120. I got to fix this for a daily time frame. So let me know what you think about Nvidia. Why this is a little concerning to me personally is if Nvidia goes, semis, which are already looking like they want to break, you see they're about to break support here in the SMH, right? Semis go, we have a lot of air. What I mean by air is we probably trade back here. But also, Nvidia makes up such a large move of the Nasdaq 100 that if Nvidia starts to go, the Nasdaq could start going too, as again, the Nasdaq, we're starting to form a little rollover here. It can cause the whole entire market to break. So a little scary, a little doomsday in this video, but let me know what you think about Nvidia. Are you a bag holder? Did you buy on the high? Did you buy on the low? And now you're pooping in your pants hoping, no, keep going up. Because as we know, stocks only go up. I got to stop with that. It's outrageous.